imagine there is a volcano that erupts. Then how long do you think it would take before the CO2, which comes out of this eruption, before it is distributed over the entire globe? So actually it will only take about 1 year, because our atmosphere is one big mixer. You also know this from the satellite pictures of your weather forecast. Clouds are moving, there is a lot of wind, and that means CO2 dissolves quickly in the atmosphere. So this actually also is a good thing, because that means it does not matter where you actually retrieve the CO2 out of the atmosphere again. So maybe it makes more sense to actually pull the CO2 out of the atmosphere in third world countries, or maybe where it is very warm, to give a benefit. Because, for example, some algae, like the spirulina algae, is growing best at around 32 to 35 degrees. And it would be much easier to grow this algae where it is actually warm. All you need is fresh water, some salts, and then you get this algae to grow. You can eat this algae, you can make biofuel out of the algae, and you can also make fertilization out of this algae. And pulling it out in the Amazonas or in Africa in some warm regions would help everywhere in the world, because it doesn't matter, because it distributes so quickly.